Alright folks, well tonight, or today actually, it's still daylight outside, and it's in the middle of November, and with daylight savings time, at about 5:30 it's dark, so I'm kind of trying to fight the daylight savings darkness here. But at any rate, I'm getting ready to take out some stuff, put it on the grill here in a minute. What we're going to make pizza burgers on the grill, or actually pizza burgers on the smoker. And so we're going to put it together in here. We'll take it and move it outside. And it's 32 degrees out there today. The weatherman said this morning that it's the coldest November in 21 years. Woohoo! I'm not a fan of the winter. I can move farther south and be quite content. If my kids didn't live here, I probably wouldn't either. So at any rate, let's get turned around here and see what we're doing. Okay folks, so in the bowl here I've got half a pound of ground chuck and a half a pound of bulk Italian sausage here. And I want to mix those together real quick. Just get them mixed up so that we get the flavors all throughout. This is pizza burgers, by the way. So we use a little Italian sausage here. Okay, I think that's got it pretty good. We don't want to beat it to death here. So there's that. Now I'm going to move that out of the way for the time being. We'll come back to it. Okay, so I got a little skillet here, and I got a little olive oil here. I'm gonna just dribble in about a tablespoon there. That'd be the big ones. And I've got green pepper here, onion, baby bell and mushroom slices, pepperonis, pizza sauce, garlic powder, seasoned salt, that'd be sriracha. Then I've got Italian blend shredded cheese. I'm just going to take my bell pepper here, green pepper, whatever you want us to call it. I just want a few little slices like so. And I got 2 rings of onion slice here that I'm just going to slice right down the middle like that. And all this will go into our pan right over here. Whoa. I don't want that. I missed that. No stickers in the food. I don't know how I missed that. I don't see any more. Okay, got all our onions and whatnot in here. Now we're going to take some baby bell mushroom slices. We don't need too many. We're just topping a couple burgers here. I think that'll be plenty, actually. Probably more than enough, especially for the onions and the bell pepper. Okay, so that's that. So I've got my approximately pound of burger here. I'm going to make these nice and big, so I'm only going to make 2. And you know, you can make your burgers any size you want. Totally up to you. I want a couple nice big fat ones. Now I learned somewhere, and I want to say maybe it was Wolfgang Puck or somebody, one of those TV chefs, said if you poke a dimple into your burger like that, it will help keep your burger from shrinking up so badly. And my experience has shown that it seems to work pretty well. Now, another experience that I've had with hamburgers on the grill, if you let the temperature of the meat rise up a little bit out of the refrigerator before you go to be making your patties, they seem to have, not be as prone to falling apart on you when you're flipping and whatnot. The fat, I guess, maybe. They just stick together better. Let's just put it that way. Alright, so we got our 2 patties. Get my glove off. Now I got some garlic salt, or not garlic salt, garlic powder. This is pizza burgers after all. So we're going to put some garlic powder on both sides. I should have put some of this seasoned salt on the top side, but I'm going to turn them back over anyhow. Okay, we'll just pat them just a little bit, help that stuff stick to the burger. Now, we're going to go outside, we're going to get our fire going, and we'll just see where we go from here. Okay folks, so I got a little pile of wood going in there. I got my charcoal going in here. Throw that right in there like so. That's all of it. Okay, so I'm no longer billowing white cumulus clouds of smoke, and my fire is looking pretty prime right now. The smoker side of the smoker is not all that hot. Try not to melt the glove to your hand here if you're using a rubber glove. Alright, I'm going to set those right in there like that. We'll check them back in a few minutes. Now, and over here on the smoker side of the smoker, I've got my pan full of onions and bell pepper and mushrooms in here. We're going to let that go too. Okay, I think it's time to give these things a flip. Take a look at the other side. Oh, that looks pretty good. Oh yeah. Looking spot on. I'll move them off to the side a little bit. Keep that flaring down off them right underneath them. Those are some big burgers and you don't want to cook them too fast. Our veggies are coming along really nice in here, sweating them pretty good. Starting to tenderize a little bit. If need be, I can always move them over here on top of the fire. Alright, so I'm going to remove these burgers from the grill. I'll put them on my plate here. I'm going to dress these outside of the smoker because I'm just getting way too much smoke to have everything opened up, and my veggies are looking really great. So we want a little bit of, whoop, getting ahead of myself here. We want some pizza sauce. Like so. We're going to take about 3 or 4 slices of this pepperoni here. 3 like that. Like that. I'll have to eat those. Now then, some veggies. Some green pepper. Few slices like that. Some onion. So. All of our cheese. You can absolutely do this in your oven. Or cook the burgers on top of the stove and your veggies, and then put them on a cookie sheet or something similar, and then into the oven for the last 15 minutes at about 250, 300. Basically, we just want to melt this cheese on here real nice and make it look pretty. So now I am going to scoop them off, put them over here on the cooler side, not directly on the fire. I want to melt that cheese on there. And take some of that, put it on the one that looks like it's got the leak. There you go. Look at that. Those look beautiful, don't they? Alright, I know somebody's going to comment that I forgot the mushrooms. There you go, I've added them on. Now we're going to leave them in there for 15 minutes and we'll come back and look at them, see what we've got. Alright folks, so it's time to bring these out of here. Ooh, and are they looking good. Look at that. There we go. Let's take them inside and put the finale on them. They do look good. Let me tell you what, they smell good too. Alright, back out a little bit. I'm going to move those over like that. Right there. I've got 2 fresh buns. So, take my burger, there, and there. Okay, now then, we'll dress them up with a little bit of, since I like hot food, some sriracha right on top like that. Kind of give it the emerald bam. Looky there. Does that look beautiful or what? Okay. Now it's time to do something with these. Okay folks, well, if you're you're a fan of grilling and smoking foods, you can't let the cold weather stop you. When I started out there, it was literally freezing out there at 32 degrees. And see how it turned out. And you know, making these pizza burgers, it's kind of a complicated process actually. But then putting it onto the grill and then trying to take video of it at the same time, then it really becomes a complicated process. Oh folks, this smells so good. And it tastes good too. Alright folks, like I said, you can do this in your oven, you can do it on your grill. And then, do me a favor, if you like what you're seeing, down here in the bottom right hand corner, hit like and subscribe. And stay tuned, there's always more to come. Thanks for watching.